Hello everyone, welcome for the today's conversation. In today's conversation was very much important because we are gonna try to explain the topic self independency. For example, first of all, coming to the point that many of the students who were as a students who pursuing the degrees, who pursuing the who was just to doing the completing the studies or not to just to doing the studies, and lots of time they have to be preserved. Let's suppose that many students get the time period of living part sorry living, not to say living period, but to the summer vacation holidays, winter vacation holidays, they can use to just to passing the time and just not to upgrading the skills. So that self independency was very much important topic for the students that who can pursue into the degrees of into the degrees or also to completing the conversation. Let's suppose to something examples that can clarify you about that how self independency important for yourself. Let's suppose that students who can pursuing the degrees or completing the degrees or continue toward the degrees of the any platform. Let's suppose the student was more than 18 years, he was eligible to earn money, he was eligible to do work for himself to earn money. So that but every parents in the Indian society always say that just to read and learn about yourself and not to focusing about yourself, that you can get a more much about of the money whenever you get the salary packages. So that this was a myth called about the parents, because I was the type of person who can never wanted a single rupees of the money from my parents, because it was so much suffocating for myself and hesitating toward myself that why I can go for to asking money for them, because I was eligible to become because I was more than 18 years of age, and I was completing my 12th, I was into the 10th. Any of the places that you have to continue toward your job, you have to just to focusing upon yourself, that whenever you continue toward any of the job pursuing, that don't self esteem yourself just to grow yourself and improving yourself by the every single step. So that how it could be so much important that to self independence. For example, let's suppose that you have some basic needs such as going for a lunch, going for a evening lunch, evening package, going for a restaurant for eating foods, or for many of the small say small pocket monies that you have to need. But every small things you cannot ask money for your parents. So that how it could be so much important toward yourself that for becoming to be the self independency, so earn some specific money or small amount of money just to start, but after getting your time you will change it and earn lots of money from yourself. So that let's suppose that any of the student who was pursuing the graduation degree or completing the 10th and going to the 11th, and he was more than 18 years of age. So that into the coming of the online platform, there was having lots of opportunity to create a money, but creating not money but to adopting the skills that they can adopt it, and after that they can receive a package of money. So that how it could be becoming to be the self independent person. Because if you have thoughted about yourself that whenever I get my age was more than let's suppose that many people around us, my the presence of my side, lots of people who were continuing toward the degrees or completing the graduation degree and PG degrees, and the age was more above than 28 years of age, but they are not too independent about themselves, not earning a single rupees of money. They are just to they are just to eat by the presence of their family, and no single basic or single minute earning of from themselves. So that how it could be so much differentiating people from ourselves, that you have to be self independent toward yourself, because if you cannot self independent toward yourself, then the people and the surrounding will never be sorry to say give impression toward yourself. So that how it could be so much important toward yourself, that to becoming to be the self independence. And let's coming to the point how we can get the money first of all, let's coming to the my point of view. That is, I was not learning a lots of skill, but I have a skill that I can teach any student on the basis of my explanation. I teach the students for the tuition classes and get some of the money that I used to spend for my own expenses. So that how it could be so much important, very much helping for myself. So also from your side, you have to also be very much important from your conciseness, or very much important in your daily expenses, that you cannot ask a small type of money from your parents. And whenever your age was above than 75, sorry, above than 25 years of age, and you are not earning a single rupees, then you are a wasting your time, and just to passing your time and just doing nothing from yourself. So that just to coming to the point, that you have to be not to tolerate about yourself, and not to comparison about any of the self, but just I have a single initiative step toward yourself, that is just to focusing upon yourself and becoming to be the self independent for your small expenses, for your daily life services. Let's suppose that coming to the online platform, as I will say you, the motivated you for the self independency. But how we can achieve the self independency? The single reason is that just to go for the online, because the Indian parents coming to the rat race platform, the only parents say that just to go for the learning, just to learn, write and do every of the skills, just to live every of the money related problems, that all the parents will suffer from them. And they always say that you don't have to recognize about the money, you have to just to focusing upon the study that you have. So that this type of thinking was so much bad toward the Indian parents, because they always try to say them the just to read and learn whenever the age of your service was not too much high. The parents always say that you will get the job, after that we are so much happy from yourself. So that this type of mentality was so much difficult for themselves. So this type of mentality could be changed. And whenever who can change, first of all you have to change, and learn the many more skills, that you have the free more times, not to scrolling the social media platform, just to go for the researching the skills that you that you can borrow it. For example, if you earn more, if you earn 100 rupees from yourself, that was very much important, crucial from about yourself, that because this type of money, this money will very much important in your life and performing the very good role in your life. Because if you earn single rupees from yourself, then you will also know the importance of the money, how it could be so much important. So that coming to the points of the distractions, just leave it from that, and always be motivated, self motivated toward yourself, that earning a small money, this was very much important, this was very much feeling toward yourself, that never make your self estimate toward yourself, and becoming to be the self growing people. So that if you wanted to becoming to be the type of people who was self growing people, and be always motivated, and because every time the people get more demotivated because of lack of money, he has no longer time and no much more time to expanding him. So that if you wanted to change it, then please try to becoming to be the self independence, because a single rupee can change your mindset from a zero rupee mindset earning people to the type of people who has earning mindset people of more than 100 rupees. So that this was the mentality of a people, because if you earn 100 rupees, you have a tendency or capability that how to use the money, and what type of the importance the money have, that I has to use it. So that this was also to be very much important conscious about ourselves. And this is for today's video, and another conversation was coming from the today's video, and an important conversation and important various research for the research based content was delivered by tomorrow. For this is for today's video, no longer conversation was continuing toward this video, and this is for today's video.